craftsurgeons.com. Today I wanted to announce to you guys my card club for the month of October, and it features the Gather Together stamp set. So you guys know that fall is right around the corner. It's one of my favorite times of the year. It's boot season, it's hot cocoa season, and pumpkin spice latte season. It's all kinds of goodness and beautiful colors, and the temperature isn't too hot, not too cold. I love fall. And so here is my fall themed class, my card club for this month. So this month we are going to be featuring the Gather Together stamp set, which can be found in our 2019 holiday catalog. I did tie in some components using the dies, which can be added on to your registration at an additional cost, okay? So make sure when you guys register, if you want both the dies and the stamp set, to make sure you choose that option, and I'll actually throw in the class for free if you purchase the bundle. However, this month's kit includes the stamp set Gather Together. Look how gorgeous it is. There's some really cute pumpkins and just so cute images. We have some awesome sentiments here. It also includes the ribbon combo pack, as you can see here. So there is some Cajun Craze twine, and then you have this really gorgeous, beautiful ribbon. You'll also receive enough supplies to create a total of 6 cards. You have 2 of each of the 3 designs as shown here, okay? And you'll also receive a full color PDF with step-by-step instructions and photos, with 2 bonus projects, which I don't have here because they're a surprise, and one of them is a 3D. I meant to mention that last month because I like to throw in surprises in there. So you'll find out what those 2 bonus projects are when you open your goodies, okay? So one thing to note is that there are going to be some additional supplies needed in order to create the cards as shown. So inks and adhesives are not included, but can be added on to your registration. So when you hit that registration link, make sure that you scroll down and check the boxes of the additional stuff that you would need in order to complete it. If you already have all the stuff, woo, great. You can just get to crafting and creating. Really, really awesome. So I guess the question is now, how do you join and what is the cost? Okay, so to join is really easy. All you have to do is click on the registration link, sign up, and there are specific timelines that I have listed on my website as well, okay? Because there are just certain things that I have to get done at certain moments in order to make your card club experience successful and for you guys to get these kits in your hands as soon as possible. So if you need to see the estimated timelines and deadlines for how everything works, head over there. The biggest thing to know though is that registration is due by the 18th of the month, okay? So you have until the 18th to register for the class and to pay when I send you your PayPal invoice, all right? And that way I can get your packet prepped and shipped and the tutorials emailed out to you, and then you can get to creating. So the cost for this month's club is $27 plus $8 shipping if you're going to have it shipped to you, okay? If you don't want to come pick it up. I am in the Suffolk, Virginia area, so yeah, the Bennetts Creek area. So if you're local and you want to come pick it up, that's fine. You won't incur the shipping charge, just let me know. However, it is $8 shipping if you are interested and you're not local. There's also a tutorial option only for $12, so you can just purchase the tutorial with step-by-step instructions for $12. If you already own the stamp set and the dies, that is fine. All you have to do is just purchase substitute product of equal value, and there is a box on the registration form where you can fill out that information, okay? And then one thing to note, I have to read my notes here to make sure I don't miss anything. Per Stampin' Up! Policy, I do want to let you guys know that there will be no stamped images included, and I can only ship to U.S. addresses only, okay? So sorry, but if you aren't in the U.S., you still are able to download the PDF as well, okay? So what are some of the club perks of being a part of my card club? So here we go. First things first, there is no commitments and no obligations to purchase. You can join and cancel at any time. The biggest thing that I like to do is I like to reward for consistency and participation. So when you participate in 6 consecutive months, you will receive a $25 product bonus from me. So that means you get to shop on the house with $25 of product bonus. but you have to participate consecutively for 6 months, okay? You'll also receive free annual and seasonal catalogs from me. And I do have an exclusive Card Club only Facebook group that you will have access to as long as you're active, okay? So that's up and running right now, which is a lot of fun. And there are also options to purchase add-on items to complete your projects. And if you refer a friend who subscribes to my club, you will also receive a free gift, which I actually have listed on my website as well. And then, of course, I always have to throw in a beautiful hand-stamped card as a token of my appreciation for you guys supporting my business. But other than that, that's this month's club. Oh my gosh, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I will have all of the details listed down in the description box. There'll also be a registration link, and there'll be a link down there that will take you over to my website where you can see more information on how this month's club is working, okay? So with that, that's all I got for you guys. So happy stamping. I look forward to seeing what projects you create with this beautiful gathered together stamp set. All right, so till next time, love you guys. Happy stamping.